Hey guys, sorry. Okay, restart. Yeah, that's bad. Hey guys, it's Unicorn. I am back, and we are here with another YouTube video. I actually failed at my entry right now because I'm sucking on a mint, and it's so minty. Sometimes I just choke. I'm like, oh god, I can't talk anymore. So I might do that a few times in this video. Okay, so let's play Adopt Me. Okay, so I already loaded the game. Oh, I just got a thing. So yay, and this person actually gave me a small gift, and I got an uncommon ice scooter, which I was very surprised. I was like, okay, it was an accident. The person didn't mean to. And so I opened the gift and they were like, oops, I didn't mean to give you the gift. I'm like, oops, sorry, I didn't mean to open it. And so the scooter's mine now. So yeah. Sorry, I'm also sniffling because I'm kind of sick. I'm getting better, it's just sometimes I get a little hoarse. Ow. Ow. Okay. So, the reason I'm buying nothing is because I'm saving up. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? This money. So, I'm actually trying to get this house, but it is 972. And then I'd love to get this. Have you guys seen this? I've seen this party house. It's not that good, trust me. I've entered one, it's not good. Now the mansion's good. The mansion's pretty decent. For a mansion, it's pretty decent. I'm really, really interested to see how the East State is because, I haven't seen the East State from the inside. So, yeah. This is my house right now. You gotta wait for it to load. It's not this empty. You gotta wait for it to load. Come on. There, that's all it. Okay, this is my home. 3 seats, a TV, a little rug. Here's the kitchen. Did you guys notice that they put a fire thing? So they put it near the stairs. And that's a really bad idea, because guess what's near the stairs? The room. And the room has a baby, but the baby crib, so this thing was actually, the crib was actually right here, and there was the table right here and wardrobe thing, but I'm like, I don't want to block the window. So I put the crib here, and I moved around a few stuff, right? But I was like, I'm not having a fire thing right here where it can be touched by a kid. So I moved it all the way down to the fridge. And then the bathroom. My friend is doing parkour. Every time I'm the mom and she's the baby, she's always like, ha, ha. Hey, mommy, psst. And that gets me so annoyed. Okay, let's go. Wow, it just took 4 minutes just for me to say hi, guys, and the entry and show you my house. That's a long time for just that. Okay. So I'm having a lot of trouble with bikes. The bikes, they don't stop flinging me into outer space. In this game, I get on a bike. Oh, ow. Okay. So in this game, I get on a bike, and I'm like, yay, yay, yay. And then, when I get off the bike, it flings me to outer space and I die. So, yeah, that was it's quite weird. And so I'm like, oh, come on. So I'm going to try out doing the thing. Okay, and take that out. And I'm going to try the bike. Let's see if it... Let's put it in here. Okay. Yay! It didn't fling me to outer space! Sorry, my coughs are like horrid. Cancel. I'm not buying anything. No. No. I'm staying in here and I'm waiting until somebody buys it. 1, 2, 3, mute. Okay, I can't hold this anymore. I'm just going to go over and demand somebody. I need a mom. I need a balloon ride. I need a mom. I need a balloon ride. Such a whiner. She's like, not me, I'm not getting you a balloon ride. I need a mom. Ah! Oh my god! Did you see that? Oh! Okay, that's crazy. Okay, come on. She got somebody to fly the balloon. Or somebody is. Cancel. So for some reason, this game also has a problem that some people you can just randomly ride that are strangers. And so they pick me up, and I'm like, stop it. And they don't stop. And I'm like, stop it. And they don't stop. And I'm like, stop it! And they don't stop. And it annoys me so much. So much. Did you see that? It's a dot. A pot. See? Stop. I know it's reserved. It's an accident. Okay, let's go. How much longer? Decline. Yes! Yes! Decline. Yes! Yay! Does anyone need a parent? No. I need a nothing and a nothing and a nothing and a nothing and a I don't know what I need that starts with SH actually. I need a sherbet. I need a sherbet. I really want a sherbet right now. I'm so thirsty. Okay, come on. I'm telling you. Decline, cash out. There we go. 866. I just need a few more paychecks, and then I get to have that estate. Come on. Ah, no! Ugh. What? She said if... What? What? I got pushed off. No. Come on. Well, that girl, she said that either, she said, if you give me your cash, I will be your daddy. But her problem is she's a female. She can't be a daddy. She can be a mommy, but she can't be a daddy. Make sense? So that's just wrong. I've got a few words for that lady. Oh my god, it was so annoying. Sorry, I'm losing myself here. It's not annoying, so there's this story that's really funny. I think I'll share it with you guys. So one day there was this girl, and she was like in this game, and she was like blah 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 blah. She was literally saying blah 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 blah, and picking me up. And I kept saying, stop it, stop it, stop it. I've got a few words for you, lady. And she's like, me too. I'm like, oh, really? Can I hear them? And she's like, sure. Hello, my name is Sally. Can I adopt you? And I just looked at her blankly, and I was just like through the screen, I was like so blank face. I was like, seriously? Seriously? So yeah. Oh my god, somebody's running over the bicycle with the teal car. Oh Jesus, the bicycle doesn't look so good either. I like the color, not the format. Okay. Sure. Yay! Apparently I'm being carried. Okay, let's go. E-ride. I'm riding you now. Can someone... Okay. I thought that was him talking. Okay, bye-bye. Okay. I guess this is a good way to end our video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye. I don't know what I'm doing with my arms right now. I'm like flailing them all over the place, and you guys can't see me, so yeah. Oh well, see you later. Goodbye.